You are going to love this flower vase made from waste material with the least amount of effort and on a budget. If you watch the full video, you will understand how I made this with a minimal budget. And the things we consider junk and throw away, those things can also be used to create some excellent items. So, we have already started the video here. As you can see, I have used a tissue paper roll here and cut it in this manner. So, to give it a shape like this, I used these small boxes. You can use any similar items. Here I have used Sunmica tape, masking tape, which works quite well when used on cardboard. It is exactly like paper, which is why we are using it. Otherwise, if it were polythene, there could be some trouble, as we wouldn't be able to stick anything else on top of it. So, we have prepared its shape in this way, and now we will show the next process. Here I have a small piece of pipe lying around, and I am going to use it here. I am using it to increase the length in this manner. So let's stick it like this. I had this kind of pipe lying around, so I used it. If you want, you can use cardboard entirely instead of this. Often such things remain lying around in our homes, and after lying around like that for years, we eventually give them to the scrap dealer. So here I have already used that up. After that comes the turn of this kind of cardboard. Whenever we buy something big, a lot of cardboard comes with it, and we just have to give it away or throw it out. So, I have cut all of them into a shape like this. You can cut any other shape according to your preference. I have cut all the cardboard pieces I had and prepared all the pieces like this, and I am going to use all of them right now. I have tried to cut all shapes equally. There might be a difference of a few millimeters, so we will see that at the end. We have to stick it in this manner. So first of all, we will prepare the base here, and we have cut its base like this, and we stick it on the bottom side with the help of a hot glue gun. There are many other options with which you can stick it. If you don't have hot gun glue, you can heat a direct glue stick on fire and stick it. So we will keep sticking all of them like this, and the denser it is, the better it will be, but I have attached all the cardboard pieces I cut, yet there are still some small gaps left. After sticking completely, the next turn is using masking tape here. If you want, you can mix Fevicol and water and stick newspaper. So you can see in the second step itself that its proper shape is ready. Now comes the turn of the third step, and in that, I will tell you about a paste whose coating can bring very good strength. So in the paste I am preparing here, I have put newspaper pulp and Fevicol. I am going to add 2 more ingredients, in which you can mix a little wall putty or cement, or mix this kind of wet paste which comes as ready-made wall putty paste. We will mix all these well and apply a good coating on top. Here, due to the clip getting deleted, I couldn't show you guys. After applying it like this, I realized later that its upper mouth was looking quite large, and because of that, I had to cut it. So in all these things, our estimation sometimes goes a little up and down. So let's go. The upper part here will have to be made again. So here I am going to make it in this way, like I used a paper roll earlier, and here I have used newspaper to prepare the upper part like this, and I am applying the same paste. Also at the bottom, there were small gaps left somewhere, so I would like to apply all the paste on the whole thing here as well, because I am going to do something different here. It should be completely proper, not even a small gap should remain. I am applying a good coating of all the paste. After that, I am using a homemade turntable here, due to which it will be very easy for me to rotate the vase because it will be able to move quite easily at the bottom. Because due to repeated rubbing at the bottom, there are chances of the bottom part getting spoiled. So here I am using very fine pieces of marble, which I am going to stick in this manner. So I have applied paste on everything, and I will quickly pour this marble so that it sticks well. I have poured and stuck it well on the paste that was there, and left it to dry for some time. After that, I am going to spray paint on it. If you want, acrylic paint can also be done, but because of spray paint, a very good look comes and there is a shine too, plus whenever we want, we can wash it too. So it has dried here, and let's show the next process now. The main work is still left, but that is also so easy that you are going to have a lot of fun making it. So while doing our work, some antics like this relax our mind a little. So let's start now. So here I have gathered all the things. I am going to need a little wall putty here again, so I have collected all the things. So here I have made a cone and kept it ready beforehand. The paste I showed you just now, I have filled the same paste in the cone, and we have taken out a little of that paste and added a little extra wall putty, and now comes the turn of coloring. So here we are going to mix color directly into the wall putty. A little Fevicol and a color of your choice, we will mix. I used Fevicol to adjust its thickness. So here I have prepared light pink, and we're going to make its flowers in this way. This is quite interesting. You guys need a little practice. After that you can make this kind of flower quite well. So I am going to make this vase quite colorful. So first of all, using pink here, I have made a flower like this. After that, I used light orange here and made a flower with that too. There is one last color, let's use that too. So here I have made it with a third color as well, and now comes the turn of twigs and leaves. So here I have prepared a light green color cone, and with this, I am going to make all the leaves like this. So I have made all these leaves in this way. I have increased the speed a little so that you guys don't find it boring. It was looking quite empty at the top, due to which I have given a slightly different look at the top. So here I am preparing a golden cone, to make which I used powder and took golden color paint here. After that, we will strain it in a fine cotton cloth like this because we have to make a very fine cone, so it is necessary to do all this. After that, I put it in a cone. The main work is still left, but that is also so easy that you are going to have a lot of fun making it. So while doing our work, some antics like this relax our mind a little. So let's start now. So here I have gathered all the things. I am going to need a little wall putty here again, so I have collected all the things. So here I have made a cone and kept it ready beforehand. The paste I showed you just now, I have filled the same paste in the cone, and we have taken out a little of that paste and added a little extra wall putty, and now comes the turn of coloring. So here we are going to mix color directly into the wall putty. A little Fevicol and a color of your choice, we will mix. I used Fevicol to adjust its thickness. So here I have prepared light pink, and we're going to make its flowers in this way. This is quite interesting. You guys need a little practice. After that you can make this kind of flower quite well. So first of all, I will outline with a brush like this, and for the rest of the things, I will use the cone. After outlining like this, for the inside side, I will use the cone like this. With this, if we used a brush, it would become quite messy, and with a cone, we can give a design of our choice very finely like this. So after outlining everywhere, the look is something like this. So this is its final look, and I have attached some mirrors at the top because it was looking quite empty at the top, and here is its final look, you guys can see. You can use it with water too. Wash it whenever you want because we have also applied clear spray on top of it so that we can wash it whenever we want. So, how did you guys like today's video? Do tell by commenting. See you in the next video with